सेफ्टी हो गया मतलब।
थोड़ा क्या वाइब्रेशन रिड्यूस हो जाए इसलिए लगा दिया ये वाले पार्ट पे। क्रैश गार्ड का डिज़ाइन कैसा लगा इस बार?
Hello, Pramod here from Team Auto Engina, and today we are going to talk about our newly launched Himalayan 450 tour kit. So in this video you'll get to know about more in details about all the accessories that we have in the tour kit. You'll also get to know about more functional aspect behind each accessory that we have developed. On any motorcycle you need to sort out 4 key solutions. First is the luggage solutions, carry your luggage safely through your ride. Second is the protection solution, that will protect your motorcycle throughout your ride, so if there is any mishap happens on the road, your motorcycle is safe and you can continue your ride. Third is the lighting solutions, where you can ride safely through the night. And last is the ergonomic add-ons like handlebar risers, so this will make your ride more comfortable. Now we know that people are going to use the hard and soft luggages. So while designing the accessory, we have considered the applications of both hard and soft luggages. Now hard luggage on Himalayan 450 will have its own pros and cons. On upside, if you're planning long or short tour on Himalayan 450 with the hard luggages, that makes more convenient and sensible options because of its theft-proof and weatherproof features. In addition to this, it provides some certain degree of protection to the rider. We have came across some cases where rider told that in their recent crash, panniers have saved their lives. Having all this, to carry your luggage more conveniently, we added the inner bags with the dedicated compartments, so you can organize your luggage very neatly. And you don't need to carry, you can directly unload the bags and take it to the hotel rooms. Now having all these perks, there are a couple of important points that we need to consider before choosing a hard luggage. First is that these are a bit more expensive compared to soft luggages, and it requires some maintenance over the period. But don't worry, on the maintenance part we got you all covered, and this is what differs us from available brands in India for hard luggages. Because we feel the problem is that the panniers and top boxes are the outermost shells on your motorcycle when you are on the tour, and it tend to get damaged in any crash, and these are very expensive accessories and it will require a maintenance eventually. So currently the available brands in India, nobody is providing services where rider can reach out to brand and get their panniers or top boxes maintained. And we noticed that there is a gap where this requires some maintenance part, and which is very critical. So to solve that, we are working since last 3 years, and currently we have a DIY spare section where you can order our DIY parts and get it fixed from nearby facility. Or if it's not possible, you can reach out to our team and they will guide you through all the maintenance processes, where your part will get picked and get dropped to your convenient location. As we have said that while doing the accessory in luggage section, we have considered the applications of both hard and soft luggages. Our adjustable top rack is specifically designed soft luggage accessory which can handle from small backpacks to the large size duffel bags. Now what is adjustable? For Himalayan 450, we wanted to have a top rack which can handle the large size duffel bags very securely. So we have made the 4 adjustment into top rack, which is about 50 mm and can handle different luggage sizes. So for construction of this top rack, we have used the 3 mm stainless steel plate with the different surface textures. So it can give the very adventurous vibe to the top rack. Pannier stays or saddle stays, these are very much essential add-ons on any touring motorcycle, as it needs to carry your luggage securely throughout your ride. Now talking about the pannier stays that we designed for Himalayan 450, these are very sturdy built frames and can hold up to 15 kg on each side. But there is one fundamental problem with the pannier stays, that these becomes very useless when you are not riding. So to make this compensate, we added extra functionality to these pannier stays. The middle brace that you're seeing, it's just not there to support the saddle bags. We have got more plans to use this for smaller size luggages, delta boxes, which will make your commute easy. Additionally, when you're on the tour, it can hold small jerry cans or the tool boxes. A luggage solution brings convenience to your tour, but we all know that Indian road conditions are very unpredictable and motorcycle crashes on the roads are inevitable. So you need to have a protection layer on your motorcycle. So to add this protection layer to your Himalayan 450, we added a protection accessories like crash guard, bash plate and protection coverings for small elements like master cylinder guard and brake oil reservoir. Bash plate and the crash guards are the primary protection layer that Himalayan 450 requires, because Himalayan 450 Sherpa engine belly is very much exposed and it requires a metal protection layer. So we added the aluminum bash plate to the engine belly, but primary protection layer is the crash guard. Now to understand Himalayan crash guard design, let's break this topic into 3 major key points. First is the construction. So to construct this crash guard, we have used the heavy duty mild steel tubes and laser cutted bracket and mounted them on the strongest point on the chassis. Secondly, to make this crash bar look more aesthetically appealing, we have used the different section pipe sizes, a robust looking slider and applied a powder coat which exactly matches with the engine covering surfaces. We have also maintained the optimum width of the crash guard. This makes crash guard look a bit more compact, yet it secures all the major components of the motorcycle. Apart from construction and the aesthetics of the motorcycle crash guard, there is one critical factor that all riders are not knowledgeable about, that what happens to their crash guard after major crashes. Now we all have seen a crash bars with the 4 or 5 mounting points, a cage looking like constructions. Now if any major crash happens with these kind of crash guard, nothing happens to the motorcycle. But is it true? It's not, because all the impact force that is coming in, it's getting transferred to the motorcycle chassis and it disturbing the motorcycle geometry, and that stays throughout the motorcycle life. To avoid such situation, we try to have a very functional mounting points only, and we always integrate a braking and bending points in our crash bar designs. In case of Himalayan 450, we have used the similar theory to have a minimal mounting points and a smaller section pipe that is going towards the upper engine mount is specifically designed to get bend and brake in major crash scenarios. An efficient lighting system is the crucial part of any touring motorcycle. By efficient, what we mean here is that a light that can provide sufficient illumination and get mounted on the sturdy clamp. Now Himalayan 450 headlight faces 2 issues. First is that it's a LED light and it lacks in illumination in nighttime travel, and second is it remains stationary. So on the twisty road, it makes riding a bit difficult. To address this issue, we have made lightweight yet sturdy fog lamp clamp which sits on the front suspension of Himalayan 450. We have made this clamp into composite nylon. This makes this product very lightweight, and we have integrated with the laser cut metal bracket so it can handle the weight of the fog. Along with these add-ons, we are already working with more accessories in the tour kit which will come in later stage, and these add-ons will surely make your ride more convenient on the long tours.